Доброе утро, добро пожаловать на мой канал. Да, привет, Матиас. Всем привет. Today we're going to talk about two Russian question words, куда and откуда. Давайте напишем. Let's write them down. Куда and откуда. Куда, first question word. Куда, откуда, откуда, откуда. Куда means where, and откуда means from where. And these two question words are the questions for two very important Russian cases. Куда is for accusative case, винительный падеж, Винительный is accusative case. Винительный падеж. It answers, a noun in accusative case answers to the question куда, where, куда. And откуда answers to родительный падеж. So the noun in родительный падеж, genitive case, answers to the question откуда. Родительный падеж. Let's write it down. Родительный падеж is genitive case. Винительный падеж, родительный падеж. Куда? Where? And the noun that we will use to answer to this question, куда, will be in винительный падеж in accusative case. And откуда, to answer to the question, the noun that we are going to use to answer to this question, will be in родительный падеж in genitive case. Доброе утро, всем привет. Хорошо, now let's look at some examples. And number one is a question. Куда ты идешь? Куда ты идешь? Куда ты идешь? Where do you go? Куда ты идешь? Where are you going? Куда ты идешь? To answer to this question, all the nouns that we are going to use to answer to this question have to be in accusative case, винительный падеж. Let's look at the examples. В офис, I go to the office, в office. Office is masculine. In accusative case, masculine will remain the same. So just в office, in the office, to the office. Куда ты идешь? В офис. Куда ты идешь? В офис. Now, куда ты идешь? To work. На. And работа. Memorize that. To go to work. We use it with preposition на. На работа. In accusative, when a noun is feminine, like this one, with a ending, we have to replace it with у to make it accusative. На работу. Okay. В офис, на работу. What else? Куда ты идешь? Where are you going? На работу. В университет. To the university. В университет. The same noun is masculine, so it will remain the same. Nothing will be changed in accusative case. Университет. We don't have to add nothing here. We don't have to add anything here. В университет. Хорошо. Another example is в кино. В кино, to the movies, to the cinema. В кино. Кино is neuter because it ends in O, so in accusative it will remain the same. В кино, nothing will be changed. В кино, to the movies, to the cinema. В магазин, to the store, another example, в магазин, в магазин. Куда ты идешь? В магазин. Магазин is masculine too, it ends in a consonant, so nothing will be changed here. Куда ты идешь? В офис, на работу, в университет, в кино, в магазин. We can see that only feminine noun was changed на работу. Or в школу, another noun in feminine, в школа. Школа, I'm going to school, в школа. And to make it accusative, because it answers to the question куда, where, to the school, в школу, to school, в школу. And the ending would be у, в школу. Now let's look at the answers for the question откуда. For example, откуда ты идешь? Номер 2. Откуда? From where are you coming? Откуда? Where are you coming from, basically? In Russian, откуда ты идешь? Идешь. Откуда ты идешь? Where are you coming from in the sense, where are you walking from? Да? Откуда ты идешь? Where are you walking from? Откуда ты идешь? Where have you been? Where are you walking now from? Откуда ты идешь? A question in Russian language. Откуда ты идешь? From where are you coming by foot? Откуда ты идешь? And to answer to these questions, nouns will be in родительный падеж, in genitive case. Let's look at the examples. From the store is магазин. Here, nothing changed here in accusative. Is magazin. Well, something else will happen in genitive. When the noun is masculine, we have to add a to make it genitive. Magazina. Magazina. Is magazina, from the store. Is magazina. What else? From the office. Is office. Office. Office is masculine as well. So to make it genitive, we have to add a. Is officer. Is officer. Right now, the noun is genitive. Why it's genitive? Because it answers to the question откуда, from where. Откуда is officer. Откуда ты идешь? From where are you walking? Откуда ты идешь? Is officer, from the office. Another example is откуда ты идешь? From the store. Is магазин. Okay, it was. From the theater. Is theater is театр. Театр. And again, it's masculine and ends in a consonant. So we will just add a. Is театра. Is театра, from the theater. Всем привет. Is театра. Add a to make it genitive. Because the question is for this noun is from where? Is театра, from the theater. Is театра. Так, что еще? С работы. So we will not with work, with работа, we will use the preposition с. Because here we had на работу. When we will say from work, we will use s. На is replaced by s. С работы. Memorize these things. С работы. С работы. So we will not use is. We will use с. because here we had na. Na will be replaced with s. С работа, feminine noun, да, feminine noun, ends in a, работа. What should we do in genitive case? Откуда, from where? С работа, feminine nouns, a will be replaced with с работы. С работы, from work. С работы, from work. Очень хорошо. Another example is from my friend. At, here with a person, we will use the preposition at. It means from, but we will use at because we are talking about a person. At друг, from my friend, at друг, and because it is genitive, in masculine ends in a consonant, we just add a. At друга, from friend, or at, another example, at mama, mama, from mother, from my mother. At mama, feminine, a will be replaced with to make it genitive. От мамы, from mother. От мамы. Откуда ты идешь? From where are you walking? От мамы, from my mother's. От мамы. Or от папа. Papa. Although papa is masculine, but because it ends in a, it looks like feminine. We will change the ending according to this rule. We will say от папы. От папы, from fathers, да, from my father. Откуда ты идешь? From where are you walking? От папы, from my father. And here, of course, we will use the genitive case because this noun answers to the question откуда. Откуда. Хорошо, следующий пример and следующий вопрос. And the next question is куда вы едете в отпуск? Where are you going for vacation? Куда? Куда, where? So the answer will be in accusative case, винительный падеж. Куда вы едете? Едете в отпуск. 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 Where are you going for vacation? Куда вы едете в отпуск? Отпуск is a work vacation, not a school vacation. School vacation is каникулы. And отпуск is a work vacation. Куда вы едете в отпуск? And let's look at some possible answers. Так. To Italy. В Италия. Italia, feminine noun ends in ya. So in accusative, we will replace ya with you to make it accusative. Италию. В Италию, to Italy. В Италию. So in accusative, when the noun is feminine, ends in ya, replace it with you. В Италию. Куда? Where? So the answer will be in accusative case. В Италию. Куда? В Италию. Or with the city, to Rome, we'll say в Рим. And because it's masculine, it ends in a consonant. Nothing will happen in accusative. В Рим. В Рим, to Rome. The same is with Turkey. В Турция. Турция. Turция. The same will happen here, feminine. Я will be replaced with you. В Турцию. В Турцию. Очень хорошо. В Турцию. To Turkey. Куда вы едете в отпуск? В Турцию. Да. Куда вы едете в отпуск? Where are you going for vacation? В Турцию. The same with Greece. В Греция. 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 To make it accusative, я will be replaced with you. В Грецию. В Грецию. To Greece. В Грецию. Куда вы едете в отпуск? В Грецию. Мы едем в Грецию. We are going to Greece. Мы едем в Грецию. Хорошо. Or куда вы едете в отпуск? And now about islands. When it's an island, we have to use the preposition на. На and the name of the island. For example, let's take Bali. Bali. На Bali. Bali is masculine, so nothing will change because остров is masculine in Russian language. На Bali. To Bali. So with islands, use the preposition на, not в. Not в. На. On the island. On. Хорошо. Now, откуда вы прилетели? Where did you fly from? Literally. Откуда? Откуда? Now with the question откуда? From where? Genitive case. The answer will be in genitive case. Откуда вы прилетели? Прилетели. Откуда вы прилетели? From where did you fly? From where did you fly? Прилетели. From where? Yeah, literally this is what it means. Откуда вы прилетели? Откуда вы прилетели? And let's look at the possible answers. Откуда вы прилетели? Let's say genitive, да? Is from and Berlin. 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 Is Berlin? We can't leave it like that because here we will have the genitive case because it answers to the question откуда, from where is Berlin. And in genitive case, when a noun is masculine and in a consonant, just add a. Is Berlina, from Berlin. Is Berlina. Or another example, from Bulgaria. Is Bulgaria. Bulgaria. Feminine ends in ya. Bulgaria. Ya will be replaced with e. Is Bulgaria. Из Болгарии, from Bulgaria. Из Болгарии. Откуда вы прилетели? From where did you fly? Из Болгарии. Из Африки, из Зимбабве, Африки. Правильно, Матиас, молодец. Из Берлина, из Болгарии. Из Греции, from Greece. Or is, another example, is Oslo. Oslo. Is Oslo. Because this noun is neuter, it will remain the same. From Oslo in Norwegia. Is Oslo. Is Oslo. Is Barcelona. Barcelona. So this noun is feminine. In genitive, we will replace a, as we did with at мамы, at папы. We will replace a with y. Из Барселоны. Из Барселоны. From Barcelona, из Барселоны. Очень хорошо. That's all for this lesson. So we talked about two questions, and the answer to these questions will be with куда. The answer will be in accusative case, and откуда, the answer will be in genitive case. Очень хорошо. See you in a few minutes for our next class. Спасибо. Из Техаса. In Russian, Texas is Техас. Техас. It ends in S. So S is a consonant. That means that this noun is masculine. Техас is masculine. So in genitive case, we have to add a to make it genitive. Из Техаса. from Texas. Or if we are going to Texas, мы едем в Техас. Nothing will change because it will be already accusative. And accusative nouns masculine do not change. Да, очень хорошо. Целую вас. Пока. Чмоки-чмоки.